Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna talk about prime numbers and are the prime numbers always be positive or can they be negative too? Okay, let's start the video. At first, we'll discuss about the definition of a prime number. Here, it's mentioned that a prime number is a natural number greater than one that has no positive divisors other than one and itself. That means if we assume a number 5 and another number 6, then according to this definition, if 5 or 6 is a prime number, then these numbers only be divisible by 1 and this number itself. So we know that 5 can't be divisible by another number except 5 and 1, but here 6 can be divisible by 1, divisible by 2, divisible by 3 and 6. That's why here 6 is not a prime number and 5 is a prime number here. But let's proceed to the next questions. Are Why are prime numbers are always positive? Here, if we look at the definition of the prime number, a term is mentioned here, and it is that natural number. And what is natural number? Natural number are the numbers which start from 1, 2, 3, and to the infinitive. So we can say that no negative sign is included to a natural number. That's why a prime number always have to be positive. Here we see that 5 is a natural number because 5 can be divisible by 1 and 5 itself. It can't be divisible by any other number. But here, if we assume minus 5, what it will be? Minus 5. Minus 5 is divisible by 1, 5, minus 1, and minus 5. So, according to the definition of the prime number, we see that a prime number always be divisible by 1 and 1 and the number itself. That means a prime number is always divisible by two numbers. But here, then if we use negative sign of a prime number, it is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4. Four numbers. That's why negative numbers can't be a prime number. I think the confusion is clear now. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe this channel for further confusing mathematical terms explanation. And if you have any questions in your mind, please write below in the comment. And if you have any confusion about any mathematical problems, um, write those problems in the comments too. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.